Hey guys, Radical here. So in this quick tutorial I will show you that how can you play Half-Life or not any, like there are some mods of Half-Life in your Android device. So there are few steps which you have to follow to like successfully play Half-Life in your Android device. So the first thing you have to do is you have to download Half-Life in your PC. So this is the website. You have to open this website and download Half-Life in your PC. So you can download it from here. So after you download and install this in your PC, you will need to copy the wall folder from your PC into your mobile. So let me show you how does it look like. Excuse me. So here in my mobile I have got this folder name. This is an exclusive folder I made for the game. So in that folder I have another folder. This is the wall folder I got from my PC. So after this folder, what you have to do, you have to install the first application, which is Zash 3D. You can download it from Play Store. Let me show you how can you download it. You just have to type Zash 3D in Play Store and you will get this application. So you first have to install this one, and then you have to download an application which represent your mode. So wait, let's go here, click on this name and let's click on all applications. So these are application exclusively made for Half-Life modes. Like you can play these few mods in your mobile phone. So what I'm going to play in this video is Black Ops. So I'm going to play this mod. So you also have to install this application. So after this you will get two applications. This is this one and this one. So so after, what you have to do, you have to let's just say I have installed this Black Ops. So I have to click in this description and here they will give you this website. So I have to open this website and I have to download this mod file from this website. So let's download it from here. This is Black Ops 1.6. so you can download it from here. So I have already downloaded this one. Let me show you where it is. Okay, here is my file, blackops.zip. Now let's extract it. So what you have to do, you have to copy this file and you have to paste it near the wall folder. Let's go here. So here you have to extract it here near the wall folder. So after you have copied these two things, so the first thing you are going to do, you have to open the Zash 3D application. So first we are going to open this application and say select game data location. No, not here. So after you go here, you have to your game folder. Now you will see the icon here, so don't worry, just open it and you are seeing these two folder here. Just say select current folder. Okay, once you hit this, now you have to for once press this button, launch Zash 3D FWGS. You have to hit this button one time. After this loads, don't worry about this guys, this is not a mod, this is original Half-Life. Let's quit this. You have to do this thing once. Okay, after you do this, you have to get out of from here and you have to open your mod application, which is in my case Black Ops. So after you go here, you just have to click launch Black Ops, and here I got my mode. Now let's start a new game and let me show you if this actually works. Okay, so as you can see, this is working. Here you can change the placement of buttons and things like this, or you can hit the back key, and there are many options you can configure from here, like screen size, things like this. There are many options. So done, video mods, you can configure it from here. Okay, let's resume the game. So my game's loading, but I cannot move or aim anywhere because this is the intro. So after the intro is finished, I will be able to move anywhere and look at anywhere. Guys, this actually works. Okay, so I hope you'll have good time browsing and playing these mods in your Android device. So goodbye, hope this helped you.